development of our people. Without people, there is no country.
Kamishna ma kaunti ma Bungoma osiemo jonjore mosebedo ka wuotho kod josiasa kowacho ni gikelo rochruok mar arita e kind jofwambo kaachiel kod jopiny. Koloso e nyasi mar arita e kaunti ma Bungoma, Sankei nokwayo ni mondo ber arita mar jopiny osiemo josiasa e wi wach mar kelo jonjore e nyasi magiloso. Kata kamano, Sankei nokwero jofwambo kuom lando weche mag siasa manyalo kelo pogruok e pachoka.
The issues like these ones of goons in Bungoma, you know, we are leading also in goons. It's a security issue, serious security issue. So we need again to partner and expose some of these vices. I think our politicians also like using them. I'm told juzi kulikuwa mazishi somewhere. Na magunzu walikuja na mwanasiasa moja na naambiwa visu zilikuwa zikichomoka tu zikianguka. The most important thing is to say, let's continue working together. Let's protect our freedoms, and we'll continue cooperating in very many other areas. I'm sure my colleagues, the county security team finds it very easy working with the media houses in Bungoma. We don't have a complaint. We're happy about them.